case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1994 case, Ducko v. Chrysler Motors Corp., dealt with a serious car accident caused by a malfunction in a newly purchased 1985 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. The driver, Wilma Ducko, experienced a sudden loss of control over the vehicle's steering and brakes, leading to a devastating crash. The court faced the task of determining whether the accident resulted from a manufacturing defect or operator error. The trial court initially granted summary judgment in favor of Chrysler, though this decision was later reversed by the majority. The legal crux of the case centered on the malfunction theory of product liability, which allows plaintiffs to establish a defective product using circumstantial evidence when direct evidence is unavailable. The majority found that Ducko's testimony was sufficient to establish a prima facie case for a manufacturing defect, and decided that strict liability should be a disputed issue for the jury. As a result, the Superior Court of Pennsylvania reversed the trial court's order and remanded the case for further proceedings in accordance with the court's opinion. The decision underscored the importance of the malfunction theory in product liability cases and the role of circumstantial evidence in meeting the plaintiff's burden of proof when direct evidence is lacking.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.